Well, hi all. It's a glorious morning here in southern Spain. 25 degrees forecast today, just a breath of wind. Out on the aft deck I've been doing a bit of varnishing, and here in the galley I've got some tuna fish cakes on the go. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to say a few words about this place, Rota. We've been here close to 6 months now for our winter mooring, and obviously got to know the place fairly well. And yeah, as I say, I'd like to have a look around and talk about what is great about Rota, and there's quite a bit that is, what's okay, and what is, in my humble opinion, something that might make the cruising sailor think twice about coming here. So the marina here in Rota is divided into two basins, the North Basin and the South Basin. And behind me here you're seeing the North Basin. And yeah, I believe if you're going to stay here for any length of time, the North Basin is where you want to be. The water's tidal, we're somewhere around mid-tide now by the looks of things, but that doesn't really affect things. Well, as I say, we've been here for close to 6 months now. Of that time, we went back home for the midwinter Christmas period of about 2.5 months. In March and up to mid-April, we had some 6 weeks of gales, which saw wind speeds measured up to 52 knots. And in all that time here, I was quite happy to be here. This is a very well protected basin of the marina, and we were completely safe here. Well, just at the back of the marina is the town. You may well see it just behind me. And a bit like the marina, it's split into two parts, I would say. The old town, which is the part nearest the marina, is absolutely delightful. Super beautiful, lovely, friendly people. The further away you get along the beach, the more touristy it gets, and the prices tend to go up accordingly. It's the way of the world, isn't it? But as I say, super friendly people, and it's very easy to get known there, and makes the whole place feel that bit warmer. Yeah, one of the great things here is the two fish markets that are based on the marina site. They sell fish straight off the boat, comes in and goes into the markets there. Price is very reasonable. The variety of fish varies on what they've caught, obviously, and it's brilliant. How's it smell? Like rosemary, I hope.
So good.
Rosemary?
Yeah.
No doubt. It's the goldfinches in that bush. I bet you don't see them on this camera. There they go. Bunker of some sort that they made into a tourist viewpoint. Well, pretty much. Yeah, yeah. It's a lovely beach here, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty long.
Sandpipers wandering down there.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's a long beach. Good. Mile and a half, I'd say. Beautiful sand. So, well, 25 knots today, so we decided, and Easter Sunday, decided to get out for a bit of a walk. There's a hiking trail at the back of town here, Camino Verde, is it right?
Yeah.
And we're going to go up and have a little look at it. Yeah, no camping, no fires, no shooting. Yeah.
No dogs.
Don't pull the plants up.
No dogs without the lead.
Yeah. Let's go. Look at the thorns on that. The thorns, it's 2 inches long, that thorn. 5 centimetres, 6 centimetres long. So, Hazel, just tell us what you're doing there.
I put an app
Got an
for
app.
identifying plants.
Right, okay, so we're looking at this thing here with these little seeds on it. These thin leaves and these little seeds. So what is it, Hazel?
It's a bridal veil broom, apparently.
Oh, it's a broom. Okay, that doesn't surprise me. Bridal veil broom.
Yeah, called the bridal broom or bridal veil broom.
Yeah.
These little legume-looking things.
Yeah.
They are flower buds.
Yeah.
Flower.
Yeah, there'd be a yellow flower probably.
Mm.
Certainly no shortage of those bush things here. Surrounded by them, aren't we? What I think is borage. There's a lot of that about. Looks to me like borage. Got these big stands of bamboo in here as well. It's just a little bit of natural heaven up here. All sorts of things growing. Carob, obviously not right. Still green, but mighty eucalyptus. Beautiful, isn't it? So it's a mouse hole tree, native to New Zealand, Hazel tells me.
It belongs to the order of mints and olives.
Does it? Who'd have thought that? Growing pretty happily here. There's a big patch of it.
Or like it shares an order.
Yeah. Butterflies seem to like it.
Yeah. Ah, it's an Eve's needle cactus.
An Eve's needle cactus. Yeah, it's a beaut.
New species.
Cluster of snails on this broom here. Look at them all. So this is the little collection of herbs that we foraged on our walk. So that's all fennel, this is borage leaves, borage flowers. And over on this side of the road, the South Basin, which as you can see has got a goodly number of larger yachts in it. So the other basin of course is the South Basin, the one behind me now. And we were never in here, I have to say, but a couple of friends and cruisers we've spoken to have been given moorings in here, and it's very, very rolly. When there's a bit of a swell running, it's basically open to the entrance. If I turn around and show you that, and basically speaking, if you can possibly avoid getting in this South Basin, do so, because the north one is so much better. And now, dear viewers, we come to the thing that may make you think twice about coming here for a winter mooring. These marinas are run by the Spanish state of Andalusia. There are quite a number of marinas run by the state. And as far as I can tell, this applies to all of them, but I'm not sure. I only know for a fact that it applies here. And that is, if you want to haul your boat out here and work on it yourself, and as a cruising sailor you most probably do, and I most certainly do, you have to have a special liability insurance to allow you to work on your boat in the marina yard. Now, I've hauled out in many countries around the world and I've never needed such a thing. In fact, you know, Germany, which has a reputation for officialdom, I was hauled out there most recently twice and no such thing was necessary. But here we are in Andalusia, Spain, and you need it here. So that in itself, you'd say, fair enough, no issue. But the problem is that nobody, in my experience, and I've been trying since before Christmas to get this insurance, nobody will insure you for this insurance when your boat is not Spanish registered and you are not a Spanish national. I've asked in numerous insurance companies, including my own boat insurance, all of the insurance offices that I've managed to find in this town, some online insurers who claim to insure foreign nationals. Every time the result has been the same thing. That is, they say yes, no trouble, and then you fill in the paperwork and whatever, and they say, okay, we'll get back to you, you know, in a few days, and then you hear nothing, and then you phone them 2 or 3 times, and finally after a few weeks they say, oh no, we can't do it, you're not a Spanish national, your boat is not Spanish registered. So as far as I can tell, and this is just based on my experience, it is impossible for a foreign national to haul their boat out and work on it in an Andalusia state marina. And that, as I say, is enough to make me think twice, most certainly. Shame, because it's a beautiful place. Thanks for watching. I'll stop moaning. As ever, a massive thank you goes out to the lovely people who support us on Patreon and make these videos possible. Time's getting there for us to move on. We're looking at the weather and trying to pick our move on date, which should be very, very soon. I'll keep you posted. Have a great one. Talk to you soon. Bye.